The 2026 Coleman CT200U marks the exciting return of one of the most beloved mini bikes ever built. Known for its rugged design, easy handling, and classic charm, the CT200U has been reimagined for modern riders while keeping the same old-school adventure spirit alive. On Bike Update, we take a closer look at what makes the new CT200U the perfect mix of nostalgia and performance. Design: classic meets modern toughness. At first glance, the 2026 CT200U carries that same retro minibike silhouette that fans instantly recognize. The steel frame remains strong and durable, but this time it's paired with improved welds, a refined matte finish, and upgraded ergonomic features. The padded seat is more comfortable for longer rides, while the handlebars have been slightly raised for better control and comfort. The frame geometry gives it a stable and confident stance, making it just as fun for kids learning to ride as it is for adults looking for a throwback thrill. Coleman has retained the practical fender design and added a new LED headlight setup for improved night visibility. Engine and performance: small size, big fun. Under the frame, the 2026 CT200U continues to use a tried and true 196 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke OHV engine. This powerplant delivers reliable torque and enough muscle to handle dirt trails, open fields, or backyard rides with ease. The automatic centrifugal clutch makes operation effortless. Just twist the throttle and go. Coleman has fine-tuned the carburation for smoother throttle response and added a better air filtration system for dusty trail conditions. The result is improved reliability and consistent power delivery. Handling and comfort, built for every rider. Coleman's minibike heritage is all about fun without complexity. The CT200U's wide off-road tires grip loose terrain effortlessly, while the front and rear suspension soak up bumps with ease. The ride quality is noticeably better than previous models, thanks to the redesigned fork geometry and improved damping. Whether you're tackling gravel paths or cruising around the campsite, the CT200U feels stable, light, and predictable. Braking and safety: confidence you can feel. The 2026 version now features a dual braking system with front hydraulic disc and rear drum brakes, offering better stopping power and control. Coleman also added a reinforced chain guard and heat shield to protect riders from the exhaust. While it's not a street-legal motorcycle, the CT200U remains one of the safest and most reliable minibikes you can find for recreational use. Technology and updates: subtle but smart. Even though simplicity is the core philosophy, Coleman introduced some smart updates to keep up with modern standards. The minibike now features a digital hour meter, improved wiring for accessories, and an optional USB charging port for phones or GPS units. The new CT200U also comes with an updated fuel tank design that's easier to refill and less prone to leaks, small details that make a big difference for weekend riders. Pricing and availability: affordable adventure. Coleman is known for making accessible fun, and the 2026 CT200U continues that tradition. With an estimated price around $699 to $749, it offers unbeatable value for a fully functional off-road minibike. It's expected to hit major outdoor and powersports retailers by mid-2026, making it perfect for family camping trips, backyard rides, or casual off-road fun. Conclusion: a true classic reborn. The 2026 Coleman CT200U stays true to its roots: simple, durable, and endlessly fun. Coleman didn't try to reinvent the minibike, they simply perfected what already worked. It's the kind of machine that reminds riders why they fell in love with motorcycles in the first place: freedom, fun, and a bit of dirt under the tires. For those seeking a reliable, budget-friendly ride with classic appeal, the 2026 CT200U is more than just a minibike, it's a timeless piece of outdoor adventure. This is Bike Update, your home for the latest in motorcycle news, reviews, and releases. Ride safe, and see you in the next update.